The solution of lead CNC intelligent production line in windows and doors production. Continuous and uninterrupted loading with robot instead of manual labor. Force of control of fitting system. Intelligent recognition of profile data. Automatic adjustment of processing parameters. Magnetically levitate high-speed feeding. The robot feeding speed can reach maximum 108 meters per minute. Automatic acceptance of production instructions. Rational allocation of working processes. Seamless and continuous operation of laser and milling cutter. Efficient and flexible production. Equipped with 3 fixed angle saw blades. Achieve synchronous cutting. Stronger stability and higher efficiency. Automatic code labeling. Each profile given a unique ID. QR code contains all its process techniques. Scanning and sorting through the sorting line. Automatically transferring to the next process. Equipped with a robot to grasp the profile and put it into the machine center. Milling work on the profile process holes. Controlled by servo motors, achieve automatic turning and position. One clamping can completely the milling of 3 surfaces. Arbitrary angle saw blade could not only cut reinforced mullion and slanted mullion, but also machine the corner guards and hardware grooves of such. Online with ERP software, buffer cache can hold multiple profiles. 25 layers can store 50 window frames, mullions, and sashes. Equipped with brakes device to prevent falling, reducing placement errors and time costs caused by manual picking and handling. Equipped with 26 servo motors, precise position of tools. Starting power, synchronized corner setting. Flat corner formation, no mismatch. No manual participation, automatic output. Reducing safety risks during manual handling. Reducing label requirements according to the buffer system. The assembled farms and sachets are placed by RGV torres to the storage. No manual requires in the installation process, increasing production safety and solving the problem of low production efficiency and high labor demands. Through intelligent scheduling, automatic processing, intelligent transmission, buffer, and digital management mode, help Windows and DOS enterprise to achieve the traditional production mode to smart production change, increase the competitiveness of enterprises. Top brands continuously repurchase lead CNC.